I actually just moved up here from Atlanta and I was working full-time as a teacher, so moving up here was a bit of a long shot, and when I heard about Radiance Dental, it gave me an opportunity to expand my knowledge. I felt like I was definitely settling when it came to teaching, so I wanted to get the opportunity to expand as much as I could for my new career. I definitely loved the atmosphere. The first time I walked in, it was like they just embrace you in love and they make you feel very wanted and very loved in every aspect. And then once you go toward the back, the doctor is extremely gentle and extremely kind. They definitely made sure that I was at the learning level I should have been when I graduated the school. I would definitely recommend Radiance Academy to anyone who is looking to get into the dental field. You make a career out of a small amount of time and sacrifice you put in, but you end up having a new passion for the dental field you had no idea you would even have. I'm Lisa, and I started Radiance Dental Academy in October 2017.